A bad fuel pump can cause several symptoms that affect the performance of your vehicle. Here are common signs that your fuel pump might be failing. First, difficulty starting the car. A bad fuel pump may struggle to provide enough fuel pressure to start the engine, leading to prolonged cranking or difficulty starting, especially when the car has been sitting for a while. 2. Engine sputtering or stalling. If your fuel pump is not providing a consistent fuel supply, your engine may sputter, hesitate, or even stall, especially under acceleration or at higher speeds. 3. Engine misfires. If the fuel pump is delivering an inadequate amount of fuel to the engine, it can cause misfires, which lead to rough running and poor performance. 4. Loss of power or poor acceleration. A failing fuel pump may cause a noticeable loss of power, especially when accelerating. This is due to the insufficient fuel supply to the engine. 5. Whining noise from the fuel tank. A high-pitched whining noise from the fuel tank area, especially when the engine is running, may indicate that the fuel pump is failing. 6. Decreased fuel efficiency. If the fuel pump is malfunctioning, your engine may burn more fuel than usual, reducing your overall fuel efficiency. 7th, check engine light. In some cases, the check engine light may turn on if the fuel pump is not delivering the right amount of pressure. It could trigger error codes related to fuel delivery.